over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. So here we are, we're finishing up this install, our locking hubs on my friend's 4500. And of course, you know, these are basically full-time, four-wheel drive unless you've got locking mechanisms on it, just like your truck. See there? If the front tire's turning, that U-joint, drive shaft, stub shaft, carrier, and everything else is all turning. I think it's about 600 pounds altogether. Now we're going to shift to two-wheel drive. Just turn our little locking mechanism, and now we've got a two-wheel drive truck. We've just turned this great big old behemoth 4500 into a two-wheel drive truck, saving all that wear and tear and everything on the U-joints, the drive shaft, and everything else. And of course, I want to remind you guys about something that's been going on that Maul, Dodge, and Ram have kept a secret. You're supposed to grease that U-joint in that front drive shaft, that constant velocity joint. You're supposed to grease that thing every single oil change, because what started in 2006, they started putting that sticker right up there on the fender well that says you've got to grease that constant velocity joint every single oil change, and nobody does that. And you know why they did that? Because that front drive shaft's turning all the time. The constant velocity joint gives way, it slides back, and it busts that front case of that transfer case, and it's about $7,400 to replace it, and it is your fault and not under warranty. God bless you, God bless America, and get you some hubs. Get right, get straight.